Hey Tech Squad, GadInsider here with a fresh WhatsApp update. Default prompts for Meta AI chats are here to make your conversations with AI super smooth. Let's dive into this game changer. Struggling to start a chat with Meta AI? WhatsApp's new prompts give you instant ideas to spark fun, personal conversations, while you can still ask anything. Curious? Keep watching! WhatsApp just rolled out a cool feature in its Android beta 2.25.20.13. It's all about default prompts for Meta AI chats, now available to some beta testers via the Google Play Store. These curated conversation starters are perfect for anyone unsure how to kick off a chat with Meta AI. Think prompts like, tell me about your day, or ideas to dive into your interests, making chats feel more natural and personal. WA Beta Info says these prompts are grouped into thematic categories, covering tons of topics to keep things fresh. Meta sets them automatically, and they'll evolve over time to stay relevant. But don't worry, you're not locked in. You can still type anything into the chat bar and ask Meta AI whatever's on your mind, from random questions to deep dives. These prompts are just there to inspire when you need a nudge. The feature is in beta now, but set to hit all users soon. Why is this awesome? WhatsApp's making AI chats easier and more fun, especially for newbies. Whether you're brainstorming ideas or just chatting for fun, these prompts keep things flowing. It's a small tweak that makes Meta AI feel like a friend, not just a bot, and it's coming to everyone soon. Hyped for WhatsApp's AI prompts? Drop a comment. What would you ask Meta AI? Smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates.